Hello everyone, welcome to MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Question number 1. Under the Motor Vehicles Act, how can a claimant fix the claim amount in the appeal memorandum for court fee? Option A, must include full claim amount immediately. Option B, can limit the claim amount initially. Option C, cannot file appeal without paying full court fee. And option D, court decides the claim amount on its own. The correct answer is option B. The Bombay High Court in Shiv Shankar versus Sanjay and others held that the appellants under Section 166 of the Motor Vehicles Act may restrict the claim amount for court fee purposes at the initial stage and pay any deficit only if the appeal succeeds. Question number 2. Under welfare schemes like pensions, who can be recognized as a mother? Option A, only biological mother. Option B, only adoptive mother. Option C, anyone acting as a mother. And option D, only legal mother. The correct answer is option C. The Supreme Court in Jai Shri Bai Jogi versus Union of India and others clarified that for welfare legislations, the term mother should be interpreted purposively to include stepmothers or adoptive mothers who have raised the child, not just biological mothers. Question number 3. For which of the following purposes the court cannot issue a commission? Option A, for framing of issues. Option B, to make local investigation. Option C, partition. And option D, to perform any ministerial act. The correct answer is option A. The court cannot issue a commission for the purpose of framing of issues. Under the CPC, in many jurisdictions, a commission can be issued for matters such as making local investigations, partitioning property, or performing ministerial acts. Question number 4. Section 75 of the Indian Contract Act is applicable on option A, initially voidable contracts, option B, subsequently voidable contract, option C, none, and option D, both. The correct answer is option B. Section 75 deals with compensation when a party rightfully resigns a contract, and this is relevant to situations where a contract becomes voidable due to events like a breach by the other party, making it possible for the innocent party to terminate the contract and claim damages. Question number 5. Which of the following is considered as an important provision in enforcing the performance of public or statutory duty? Option A, certiorari. Option B, mandamus. Option C, quo warranto. And option D, habeas corpus. The correct answer is option B. The Latin word means we command and is a court order issued to a public official or body to compel them to perform a duty they are legally obligated to do. It is used to enforce public or statutory duties when a government official or body fails to act. It's the time for practice question. Which article of the Indian Constitution empowers the President to appoint an acting Chief Justice of the High Court? Option A, Article 214. Option B, Article 223. Option C, Article 10. And option D, Article 11. Pin down your answers in the comment section below.